A man broke the head of his best friend in a nightclub because of 200,000 naira. You might be asking, what exactly led to that? Why did he break the head of his best friend? Sit down. Let me gist you the story. Now, this guy, let us call him Emeka. And as for this guy, let us call him Peter. Okay? Emeka and Peter are childhood friends. Very good friends. Like right from childhood, they've been friends. Peter is very rich. He's a rich dude. Emeka's mother was very sick. She was diagnosed of an illness. The hospital told him that 200,000 naira is enough to save the mother. And if that 200,000 naira is not deposited or is not paid, that the mother is likely going to die of the illness. Now, Emeka, knowing fully well that he doesn't have such amount of money with him, he tried to go to places nobody was supporting him. You know, he remembered his very good friend Peter, who is very rich. He reached out to Peter and he told Peter, guy, please, my mother did die. My mother is dying. Please, please. The hospital said they need 200,000 naira in order for them to start treatment of my mother. I need this 200,000 naira, please. Peter told him, guy, as you know now, things are hard. I don't have 1 naira with me. 1 naira I don't have. I don't even have up to that amount. Emeka begged him, guy, I beg, anyhow, even okay, even though it's 100k, give me 100k. I will sort for other means. He said he doesn't have 1 naira. Peter told him he doesn't have 1 naira. Peter now dipped into his pocket and gave him 5,000. Say, guy, this is only money I have. Even tomorrow, self, I am likely going to trek to my office. So please take this 5,000 naira and pay your transport back home. With that disappointment, Emeka left, believing that his friend don't actually have. Now, when he got back home, he tried to look for means to gather money. He got like 30k, trying to rush to the hospital to tell the doctors, please, this is what I can afford for now. See how you can start treatment of my mother. But as time goes on, before the treatment will even be complete, I'm going to get the remaining 170,000. As the hospital was collecting the 30,000, they still told him that this is not enough to even commence treatment. But because they have seen how serious he is to make the payment, that they are going to start treatment, or he should try his best as much as possible to see how he can raise the money, else they are going to stop halfway. He promised. So as the hospital was collecting the money, there was an emergency in his mother's ward. Before they could rush to that place, the mother has given up the ghost. So there was nothing anybody could do. The doctors, the nurses, everybody was running helter-skelter to see how they can resuscitate the woman. But unfortunately, all Allah, she has died. Emeka cried. There was nothing he could do, 2 days after, Peter heard the story of his mother's death. So Peter came to console him, with his flashy car. He was consoling Emeka and telling Emeka to take things easy, that is life, that things of this nature happen. Peter now told him that he should come, let's go and cool off, He told him to follow him to a nightclub so that they can forget about his sorrow, Emeka thought it wise, since he has been grieving all this while, so he decided to follow his friend, Peter, to the nightclub. When they finally got to the nightclub, or when they got to the clubhouse, music everywhere, women were dancing. To show off his big boyism, his big boy, Peter requested for whiskey and many other assorted expensive drinks. Everything were equaling to 3 million, 4 million plus. Emeka was dumbfounded. He was looking at Peter, looking at himself, looking at the drinks that he ordered, which were more than 3 million naira. Peter was ready to squander more than 3 million naira on drinks that particular night. He didn't believe his eyes until the drinks landed. They opened them and people were drinking. Emeka could not hold the anger. He was boiling. Emeka stood up and collected the bottle of whiskey that was on the table and broke it on the head of Peter. Boza! Peter was rushed to the hospital and Emeka was subsequently arrested. I would like to hear your thoughts. What do you have to say about this whole thing? What are you going to say about this? I don't want to conclude, okay? Because I just don't want to conclude. So I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Tell us in the comment section. And if you are a returning subscriber, I so much appreciate the fact that you are part of this family. If you are seeing my video for the very first time, do well to subscribe. Like and share this video for more interesting stories. Until I see us again, do well to have a lovely time of the day.